But you know what? No way, no how we're going to finish this season without doing this. Last time this year, you're going to see this at Plymouth. Last time this year, the Interpro Sprints on Dirt presented by ARP. Everybody get up, get those cameras, get those camera phones. The last time Strevel's going to flap his gums for a while. But either way, here we are, wing to wing, in turn 3, coming into 4. Come on, get up. It's going to be a long, cold winter, folks. Get up, get up, get up. Make some noise! The most beautiful sight in short track racing, the 4-wide salute from the Interpro Sprints on Dirt to you great Plymouth Speedway fans. Thank you for coming out and supporting us tonight. Thank you for another great season of racing action. Back to 2x2. I know, man. All right, we're getting them 2x2 for you. We'll be ready to let them loose here in just a lap or so. Devin Dobie, Ryan Rule, that front row. Dancer and Chahowski, row number 2. Ridenauer and Thiel, row number 3. Steinbach and Dagan, row 4. DeVault and Rico in row number 5. Great field of cars, 20 strong, and a lot of depth to this field tonight. So pick your favorite, folks. Who's it going to be tonight? All the action will begin at the cone in turn number 4. 25 laps of A-Main racing action coming at you. Dobie going to lead the field of the green. Who's it going to be tonight? 12 laps, 12 points separate Rule and Daggett. We're going to settle it all here. 25 laps. We're green, green, green. Get one in. We get a lap in the books, and it's Rule up front. Caution on the racetrack with, I believe, 5 laps in. Looks like the 77 is Zane DeVault over there in turn number 2, pointed the wrong direction. So early yellow in this one. And Ryan Rule, can you say that's hooked up or what? Flying through lap traffic already in the early portions of this event. Fred in the infield, the Mike up top will look him over, make sure we get a nice fair restart here. So Ryan Rule going to lead him back with 20 laps still to go. Ryan Rule, Devin Dobie, Sean Dance, your top 3, slowly picking up the pace. Here we go. We're going back to green, 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 green. Daggett moving, looking for a spot to get by Dancer. Comes Scotty Thiel, 64 car up to the 3rd spot. It's Rule, Dobie, and Thiel now 1, 2, and 3. Daggett 4th. Dustin Daggett giving it all he can, but it's Rule up front. Really got a great setup on Plymouth here in August, and there's more of the same here tonight in October. Ryan Rule, the cold water driver, and our current point leader up front. Dobie and Theo having a nice little battle for second and third. Daggett in the 4th spot. Dancer 5th. Right in hour 6. Abreu 7th. Chahowski 8th. Dahlman 9th. And Steinbach your top 10. Ryan Rule starting to work his way through lap traffic again. Closing in on 10 laps complete. Next time by for Ryan Rule, our leader. 10 in, 15 to go. Big time action at turn number 1. 2 or 3 cars involved up along the wall in turn number 1. Kirkendall involved in that one. So as Daggett's up front trying to win the championship, let's watch Ryan Rule in the 16 machine now. His car operates. We're going back to green right now. Comes Scotty Thiel in the turn 3, side by side for the lead. Out of 4, the 64 machine up front. Look out, we got cars smoking at turn number 4. Jay Steinbach in the 10S. Got 1 in the apron of 4. Throw the... Car in turn number 4, I believe Jay Steinbach there. Scotty Thiel and Devin Dobie having a nice little battle there on that restart lap, side by side. Scott Thiel is your leader. The Wisconsin driver primarily runs with the IRA series over in Wisconsin. Came over here today to run, and he's up front trying to get his first ever Sprints on Dirt win. He's got 14 laps to hold on. Can he do it? We'll find out. Thiel and Dobie 1 and 2 as they close in on the halfway point. Rico up to 3rd, Daggett now 4th. Scotty Thiel up front. Dobie in the 2nd spot. Rico Abreu in 3rd and closing on 2nd spot. Dustin Daggett 4th position. Sean Dancer 5th. Chase Radenauer 6th. I got Ryan Rule unofficially in 12th. Doug Zimmerman off the pace zone on the back straightaway, trying to find a hole to get into the infield and having issues with that. Cautions out, car not able to slow down. Flat tire on the right side, I believe, of the 19Z. Big time bent up wheels. Doug did his best to try to get out the racetrack. There was just no safe place to get low there and didn't want to cut in front of one of the cars under speed. Oh, man. No wonder I got gray hair. We're going to go green this time. The 64 car will set the pace. 16 laps in, 9 to go. Green, 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 green. Rico taking a peek to the inside of Dobie. Side by side for a second. He makes the move work. Running out of laps, though. Scotty Thiel up front. Abreu 2nd. Here comes Rico. He's making a closing move on the 64 car. Dobie 3rd, Dancer 4th, Daggett 5th. Laps winding down. Turn 1, turn 2, side by side down the backstretch for the lead. Scotty Thiel trying to hold off Rico Abreu. Can he do it? Side by side out of 4, 64 shuts the door. It'll be 5 to go next time by. Thiel holding them up. Remember, they don't got mirrors in these cars. Side by side for the lead in the turn 1. The pass is made. Thiel gonna take it back. Maybe, maybe not. Down the backstretch. Here comes the 64 car right back in the lead. Oh, baby, what a show. 64 said none of that. Not giving it up that easy. Thiel and Abreu 1 and 2. Dancer 3rd, Daggett 4, slicing and dicing at 100+ miles an hour around Plymouth. Abreu to the inside, makes it work. Lap car on the way, they're gonna split the lapper. Holy Moses, Thiel bounces off a Lingard. Holy cow. Shoot it in there and hope it works. And Scotty Thiel in some unbelievable action, the best you'll ever see at Plymouth. They exchanged that lead 2 or 3 times, and Scotty dove into 3 to the inside of the lap car. Rico went to the high side of Jimmy Lingard and ran out of real estate. Nose to tail, restart at the cone. 3-lap dash. Who's he gonna win? Going green this time. Leader picking up the pace. Here we go. Green, 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 green. Oh, problems on the 64 car. Scotty tried to refire, not able to do so. Tough break for the 64. Mechanical issues. Will stay green though as he pulls off the racetrack. Rico with a couple laps to go. Sean Dancer 2nd spot. Daggett 3rd. Delby 4th. Here he comes. He's going to pick up the win. It is Rico Abreu. Sean Dancer 2nd. Daggett 3rd. Dolby 4th. Reitnauer 5th. Dahlman 6th. Zimmerman 7th. Rule 8. Unofficial. Unofficial from the announcer's eye. Well, this announcer can tell you one thing. Our feature winner out of Rutherford, California, in his first ever visit with the Sprints on Dirt. His first ever visit with Plymouth Speedway.